Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Timeless Elegance Decor Collab Fall Edition 2021. Now the host of this collab is Glam Elegant Living, Lady Allie, and her co-hostesses are iSTYLEMYSTYLE, Petalisbless, and Breeze Project Book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the host and the co-host channels down below along with the playlist. So don't forget to head on over there, full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and just enjoy the timeless and elegant decor that you will see in these videos. So what I'm showing you here is a new set that my mom bought me for my bathroom because I'm redoing that. Now I had DIY'd some pieces that I think came out absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be displaying those to you. So right now what you're looking at is the shower curtain with all of this bling and glam and elegance. It is totally beautiful. This is a set of the towels that match the shower curtain. So I'm just going to show you this and then we're going to move on to the DIY pieces that I did for my new bathroom. Okay, so we're going to move on over here, over to the lighthouse, and I cannot wait for you to see from top to bottom what this looks like. This lighthouse came out so gorgeous, and then we're going to move on to the other pieces, so I'm going to let you enjoy the video. So what I did want to say is originally these were not the 3 pieces that I was going to show, but I was so excited that I'm redoing the bathroom and my mom had given me that gift that I had to share this with you. So you will be seeing a tabletop display of the timeless and elegant pieces that I love. So now we're going to head on over to the tabletop. Here I'm going to be displaying 3 different vases that I created that to me are elegant and they're great for any occasion. And so I'm going to leave you to watch the rest of the video so that you can see how I redid the candle holders and I redid the vases, and it just came out timeless and elegant. So I hope you're enjoying the video this far. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and we are going to move over to the reveal of these 3 beautiful glam elegant vases. I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I enjoyed creating these pieces. So if you enjoyed the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.